Moby, guess what? Members of the Bartender team will be at the Family Fun Day pop-up November 11, 2023, Harmony Beach. Be there and meet your favorite Bartender cast member. Also on sale, Bartender merchandise. Harmony Beach, November 11, the Family Fun Day pop-up. Check it!
So why are you pushing it when you actually have no real proof that it will work? If you kill people, it's going to depend on your hand, you know.
You know what's funny in all of this, Marcus? I can remember preparing several proposals with this herb that I'm trying to introduce to help all of these people with all the illness that's going around, and you kept blocking it. Do you know where I found those proposals? At the bottom of all the files that you and your assistant had out there. Now, while I'm sitting in this seat, I am going to do everything in my might to ensure that those herbs get on the market to help all these people. You and your pharmaceutical nonsense is just killing everybody else. Try something new, Marcus. For once in your life, try something new.
Maxine, we're not in the market of guessing and hoping. Data is what drives medicine. Data is what drives the medical industry. We have enough information and enough substance and proof globally that all the medications that have been formulated for the COVID has worked. Now, just because of your personal agenda, you don't want to see it that way. All of this has been proven. Who has proven yours? Where have the proof come from to say that your bush will work for these people?
In case you seem to forget, the medical profession comes with trial and error. It happens. Now, if we have nothing else to talk about,
trial and error. Is this one of your miracle drugs you used on your friend, Stephanie?
oh boy, you have your songbird and now your little lackey came running to you with whatever information he deemed that he found on me. Marcus, I'm not scared of any of you. And tell your little lackey I'm the wrong person to mess with.
Maxine, that sounds almost like a threat. Do you have something to hide?
No. But tell me something. Does he have proof? Or is he working for a lawsuit?
I heard two questions in there. I don't think you should be throwing the word lawsuit around quite as much. Tell me, Maxine, what really happened with Stephanie Clark?
I'm sure your lackey brought all the information to you. He asked me some questions. Why don't you go and ask him?
You know, I am giving you the opportunity, the golden opportunity, to redeem yourself. I mean, you're in my ministry. Your secret is safe with me. So, tell me, what really happened?
You sound so convincing. Now I can see why the citizens would vote for you. Oh, Marcus. Anywho, Stephanie Clark has been dead over a year ago. And from the medical report that they gathered, she died from a heart attack. Any more questions, Detective?
Yes. Just one. Does a heart attack normally requires help, or is it supposed to be natural?
Come on, Marcus. Now I know you didn't get your certificate from the black market. Of course, if somebody's having a heart attack, they would require help.